Oracle Solaris Cluster Online Training. Learn to improve your skills and knowledge to boost your career with professional level trainer Vertical Bar Proexcellency Solutions PVT.LDT. Introduction to Oracle Solaris Cluster. Oracle Solaris Cluster is a high-availability clustering solution designed to deliver unwavering system uptime and enhanced scalability for mission-critical applications running on Oracle Solaris operating systems. It safeguards applications and services against hardware or software failures, enabling continuous operations and maximizing business continuity. Key features: high availability ensures continuous application and service availability through failover mechanisms, node fencing, and application checkpoints. Scalability allows the addition of nodes to accommodate growing workloads and performance demands, enhancing resource capacity. Resilience protects against hardware, software, and network failures, minimizing downtime and ensuring business continuity. Resource management optimizes resource utilization through dynamic resource allocation, workload balancing, and failover policies. Storage management supports shared storage options, SAN, NAS, and replication for data integrity and accessibility. Security integrates with Oracle Solaris security features to protect sensitive data and maintain compliance. Cloud integration can be deployed on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, for enhanced scalability and disaster recovery options. Key components of Oracle Solaris Cluster. Oracle Solaris Cluster, a powerful solution for achieving high availability and disaster recovery, is built on several key components that work together to ensure uptime and resilience for your mission-critical applications. Here's a breakdown of the essential elements. 1. Cluster nodes. These are the individual physical servers that make up the cluster. Each node runs the Solaris operating system and the cluster software, and they work together to provide redundant resources and services. 2. Global zones. These are special administrative domains within each node that contain the cluster resources and applications. They are isolated from the regular local zones used for other purposes, ensuring cluster resources remain dedicated and protected. 3. Resource groups. These group related resources, applications, services, data, to ensure they fail over and recover together as a single unit. This ensures coordinated operation and eliminates the need for individual application restarts in case of a node failure. 4. Quorum devices. These are external storage devices that hold critical cluster configuration information and vote on the health of the cluster. They ensure only a healthy majority of nodes can control the cluster, preventing split-brain scenarios where the cluster breaks apart unintentionally. 5. Interconnect. This dedicated network connects all the cluster nodes for communication and resource sharing. It needs to be robust and high performance to ensure fast failover and efficient data traffic across the cluster. 6. Service Guard. This is the heart of the Oracle Solaris Cluster software. It manages resource groups, initiates failover procedures, and ensures coordinated service availability across the cluster. 7. Cluster Resource Manager, CRM. This tool provides a graphical interface for configuring and managing resources, resource groups, and failover policies within the cluster. 8. Storage Systems. The cluster can integrate with various storage options like SANs and NAS to provide shared access to data for cluster applications. 9. High Availability Features. Additional features like node fencing, application checkpoints, and dynamic resource migration further enhance the cluster's resilience and ability to recover quickly from failures. These are the core components of Oracle Solaris Cluster. Understanding their roles and interactions is crucial for effectively managing and optimizing your cluster environment to achieve maximum uptime and business continuity. The benefits of using Oracle Solaris Cluster. Here are the key benefits of using Oracle Solaris Cluster, simplified. 1. Unwavering uptime. Eliminates single points of failure, ensuring continuous application availability even during hardware or software faults. Minimizes downtime to nearly zero, maintaining business operations and productivity. 2. Enhanced scalability. Seamlessly adds more nodes to handle increasing workloads and data demands, effortlessly scaling with your business growth. Optimizes resource utilization to accommodate fluctuating demands, preventing performance bottlenecks. 3. Disaster recovery readiness. Protects against disasters and data loss with robust failover and recovery mechanisms. Enables rapid recovery of systems and applications, minimizing disruption and financial loss. 4. Simplified management. Provides user-friendly tools for configuration, monitoring, and administration, streamlining cluster management tasks. Centralized control and automation for efficient resource allocation and failover processes. 5. Secure and compliant. Protects sensitive data and systems with robust security features and compliance adherence. Safeguards against unauthorized access, vulnerabilities, and breaches, ensuring data integrity and confidentiality. 6. Cost-effective. Reduces downtime-related costs and minimizes the need for expensive hardware redundancy. Optimizes resource utilization, leading to potential cost savings in infrastructure and maintenance. 7. Cloud integration. Seamless integration with Oracle Cloud infrastructure for enhanced scalability and flexibility. Leverages cloud-based disaster recovery options for added resilience and geographical reach. The challenges of using Oracle Solaris Cluster. Here are the key challenges of using Oracle Solaris Cluster, presented in simple terms. 1. Complexity. Configuring and managing a cluster can be intricate, requiring specialized expertise. Troubleshooting issues may demand in-depth knowledge of cluster architecture and components. 2. Cost. Hardware, software licenses, and skilled personnel can incur significant expenses. Ongoing maintenance and support add to the overall cost of ownership. 3. Interoperability. Ensuring seamless integration with diverse applications and hardware can pose compatibility challenges. Thorough testing is crucial to avoid integration issues. 4. Security. Protecting sensitive data and resources in a multi-node environment requires robust security measures. Regular security audits and updates are essential to mitigate risks. 5. Troubleshooting. Diagnosing and resolving cluster-related issues can be complex due to interconnected components and dependencies. Identifying the root cause of problems may necessitate a methodical approach. 6. Resource contention. Multiple applications sharing cluster resources can lead to performance bottlenecks or conflicts. Careful resource allocation and monitoring are vital to ensure optimal performance. 7. Data consistency. Maintaining data integrity across nodes during failover or replication processes is crucial. Effective data management and synchronization techniques are essential. 8. Scalability. Expanding a cluster to accommodate growth can involve hardware upgrades and configuration adjustments. Careful planning is required to ensure smooth scalability without compromising performance. 9. Limited cloud integration. Although some cloud integration options exist, full compatibility with cloud environments is not yet comprehensive. Integration with cloud-based services may present challenges or limitations. Resource management and optimization. Here's a concise overview of resource management and optimization within Oracle Solaris Cluster. Key concepts. Resource groups, logical groupings of resources, services, databases, network interfaces, etc., that fail over and recover as a unit. Cluster Resource Manager, CRM manages resource groups, monitors their health, and initiates failover recovery actions when necessary. Service Guard, a high availability framework for managing resource groups and failover recovery processes. Optimization techniques. Dynamic resource migration automatically moves resources between nodes to balance workloads and maximize utilization. Workload balancing distributes application workloads across multiple nodes for improved performance and fault tolerance. Resource pools groups resources like CPU and memory to simplify allocation and management. Tools for management. Oracle Cluster Health Monitor (CHM) monitors cluster health, resource utilization, and performance metrics. Command Line Interface (CLI) tools provide granular control over resource configuration and management. Best practices. Define resource groups strategically. Group resources with similar availability requirements for efficient management. Monitor resource utilization. Proactively identify bottlenecks and optimize resource allocation. Implement dynamic resource migration. Enhance flexibility and responsiveness to changing workloads. Utilize workload balancing. Distribute workloads for optimal performance and fault tolerance. Plan for failover scenarios. Test failover procedures regularly to ensure smooth recovery. Additional considerations. Integration with other Oracle solutions. Optimize resource usage across your Oracle environment. Cloud integration. Leverage cloud resources for scalability and cost efficiency. Advanced techniques. Explore containerization and workload automation for greater flexibility. High availability and failover mechanisms. Here's a simple explanation of high availability and failover mechanisms in Oracle Solaris Cluster. Key concepts. High availability, the ability of a system to continue operating despite hardware or software failures, ensuring minimal downtime for applications and services. Failover, the automatic transfer of operations from a failed component to a healthy one, maintaining service availability. How Oracle Solaris Cluster achieves this? Cluster architecture, multiple nodes, servers, interconnected to work as a single entity. Nodes share access to common storage and applications. Resource groups, applications, and services are organized into logical groups. Cluster manages failover and recovery of entire groups, ensuring coordinated service availability. Failover mechanisms, node failure detection, cluster continuously monitors node health. Failover trigger, if a node fails, cluster initiates failover. Resource migration, applications and services seamlessly move to a healthy node. Client redirection, clients are automatically directed to the new active node. Key features for enhanced resilience, node fencing, isolates failed nodes to prevent data corruption and conflicts. Application checkpointing, saves application state before failover for faster recovery and minimal data loss. Planned failover, allows for proactive maintenance without service interruption. Benefits. Minimize downtime, applications remain available even during failures. Improved service reliability, consistent service delivery for critical business operations. Enhanced data protection, safeguards against data loss and corruption. Scalability, cluster can grow to meet increasing demands. Security and compliance fortification. Here's a simplified overview of security and compliance fortification for Oracle Solaris Cluster. Key security measures. User authentication. Enforce strong password policies, employ multi-factor authentication, and restrict access based on roles and permissions. Access control lists. ACLs define granular access controls for files, directories, and services to protect sensitive data and resources. Network security. Implement firewalls, intrusion detection systems, IDs, and encryption for network traffic to safeguard against unauthorized access and attacks. Encryption. Encrypt sensitive data, both at rest and in transit, to prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. Logging and auditing, track user activity, system events, and configuration changes to detect anomalies and maintain accountability. Vulnerability management, regularly scan for and patch software vulnerabilities to minimize risks of exploitation. Compliance with regulations, adhere to industry-specific regulations like HIPAA, PCI DSS, and SOX to ensure data protection and privacy. Additional best practices. Physical security, protect cluster hardware from unauthorized access and environmental hazards. Secure configuration, follow recommended security guidelines during installation and configuration. Regular patching, apply security patches promptly to address vulnerabilities. Security awareness training, educate cluster administrators and users on security best practices. Incident response planning, have a plan in place to respond to security incidents effectively. By implementing these measures, organizations can significantly enhance the security and compliance posture of their Oracle Solaris cluster environments, safeguarding mission-critical applications and data from unauthorized access, breaches, and disruptions. Performance monitoring and optimization. Here's a concise guide to performance monitoring and optimization of Oracle Solaris Cluster. Key steps. Monitoring tools, Oracle Cluster Health Monitor, CHM essential for real-time health checks and performance metrics. Third-party tools, consider options like Nagios, Zabbix, or Prometheus for extended capabilities. Monitoring focus, resource utilization, CPU, memory, disk I/O, network bandwidth. Response times for critical applications. Failover times and recovery processes. Bottlenecks and potential performance issues. Optimization strategies, workload balancing, distribute workloads evenly across nodes for optimal resource utilization. Resource allocation, adjust resources, CPU, memory, to meet application demands. Configuration tuning, optimize cluster settings for specific workloads and hardware. Application optimization, tune application code for efficient resource usage within the cluster environment. Hardware upgrades, consider hardware improvements for CPU, memory, or storage if needed. Proactive maintenance, regularly review monitoring data to identify trends and potential issues. Implement preventive maintenance to address hardware or software problems before they impact performance. Additional tips. Baselining, establish performance benchmarks for comparison and anomaly detection. Alerting, set up alerts for critical metrics to allow for prompt action. Documentation, maintain detailed records of configurations and changes for troubleshooting and future reference. Best practices and implementation strategies for Oracle Solaris Cluster. High availability. Plan for outages, design failover policies, and recovery workflows for various scenarios. Monitor proactively. Use tools like CHM to track performance and identify potential issues early. Automate tasks. Leverage Service Guard and CRM for resource allocation and failover procedures. Secure your cluster. Implement robust user authentication and network security measures. Performance optimization. Balance workloads. Distribute tasks across your cluster nodes to maximize resource utilization. Fine-tune resources. Adjust memory allocation, CPU settings, and storage access for optimal performance. Monitor and adapt. Continuously analyze performance metrics and adjust configurations as needed. Disaster recovery. Plan for the worst, design and test disaster recovery strategies for diverse incidents. Replicate data. Use VVR or similar tools to ensure data consistency and fast recovery. Consider the cloud. Leverage OCI's disaster recovery service for enhanced resilience. Implementation strategies. Start small and scale. Begin with a basic cluster and expand as your needs grow. Focus on your specific needs. Tailor your cluster configuration to your application and environment. Integrate with other systems, leverage Oracle solutions like EBS and by Publisher for seamless data flow and reporting. Stay up to date. Regularly update software and firmware for best performance and security. Remember, mastering Oracle Solaris Cluster takes time and practice. Start with these best practices and implementation strategies and keep learning to ensure your cluster runs smoothly and efficiently. The future of Oracle Solaris Cluster. The future of Oracle Solaris Cluster shines bright with increased focus on cloud integration, hybrid deployments, and automation. Here's a glimpse. Cloud-powered resilience, seamless integration with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, for scalable and geographically dispersed high-availability solutions. Hybrid flexibility, effortless management of clusters spanning on-premises and cloud environments, maximizing resource utilization and cost efficiency. AI-driven automation, leverage machine learning to automate tasks like performance optimization, failover, and recovery, minimizing human intervention and errors. Containerization embrace, Docker and Kubernetes integration for agile application deployment and scaling within the cluster, boosting development and deployment speed. Enhanced security, advanced security features to combat evolving threats and ensure data integrity across hybrid and cloud deployments. Oracle Solaris Cluster remains a key player in the high-availability landscape, evolving to empower businesses with greater agility, scalability, and resilience in the cloud-driven future. Oracle Solaris Cluster Certifications. Master High Availability. Conquer your Oracle Solaris Cluster Certifications. Want to guarantee continuous uptime and safeguard your mission-critical applications? Master the powerful skills with Oracle Solaris Cluster Certifications. These programs validate your expertise in building and configuring high-availability clusters, optimizing performance and resource management, implementing robust disaster recovery solutions, securing your cluster environment. Available certifications. Oracle Solaris 11 System Administration Cluster Administration Certificate, the foundational credential for cluster administrators. Oracle Solaris 11 Advanced Cluster Administration Certificate, deepen your knowledge with advanced techniques and strategies. Oracle Solaris 11 Specialist High Availability Solutions Certificate, master high availability across clusters, storage, and applications. Level up your career and empower your business with unwavering uptime. Choose your path and conquer your Oracle Solaris Cluster certifications. Salary expectations in Oracle Solaris Cluster in India. Salary expectations for Oracle Solaris Cluster skills in India can vary depending on several factors, like experience. Entry-level positions may start around 4 to 6 rupees lakhs annually, while senior experts with 5+ years can reach 15 to 20 rupees lakhs or even higher. Location. Major cities like Bangalore and Mumbai generally offer higher salaries compared to smaller towns. Company size and reputation. Multinational corporations and established IT firms often pay more than smaller companies. Specific skills and certifications. Advanced skills like scripting and cloud integration can boost your earning potential. In general, a mid-level Solaris cluster administrator with 3 to 5 years of experience can expect salaries in the range of 8 to 12 rupees lakhs per year in India. Why choose Oracle Solaris Cluster online training? Here are compelling reasons to choose Oracle Solaris Cluster online training. 1. Achieve high availability. Master techniques to minimize downtime and ensure business continuity for mission-critical systems. Learn to configure and manage failover mechanisms for seamless application availability. 2. Enhance performance and scalability. Optimize resource utilization and manage workloads effectively for optimal cluster performance. Scale your infrastructure to meet evolving demands through dynamic resource allocation and clustering capabilities. 3. Fortify security and compliance. Implement robust security measures to protect sensitive data and systems within your cluster environment. Adhere to industry compliance regulations and best practices for secure cluster management. 4. Streamline disaster recovery. Develop comprehensive disaster recovery plans to minimize downtime and ensure swift recovery from potential disruptions. Learn to leverage cloud integration for enhanced resilience and geographical reach. 5. Gain flexibility and convenience. Access training at your own pace and from anywhere with online courses, fitting your schedule and learning style. Benefit from hands-on lab exercises and interactive content to deepen understanding and practice skills. 6. Stay up to date with expertise. Receive training from Oracle certified instructors, ensuring you learn the latest features, best practices, and industry trends. Gain valuable insights from professionals with extensive experience in Solaris cluster implementations. 7. Advance your career. Obtain valuable certifications and credentials to demonstrate your expertise and enhance career prospects. Become a sought-after professional in the field of high availability and clustering technologies. Why choose Proexcellency for Oracle Solaris Cluster online training? Master high availability like a pro with Proexcellency. Here's why we're the perfect choice for your Oracle Solaris Cluster online training. Expertise you can trust. Our instructors are seasoned industry professionals with extensive experience in real-world cluster deployments and administration. We offer comprehensive training programs that cover all aspects of Oracle Solaris Cluster, from installation and configuration to advanced administration and disaster recovery. We tailor our training to your specific needs, whether you're a beginner looking for a solid foundation or an experienced admin seeking advanced skills. Engaging and effective learning. Our interactive online platform makes learning convenient and engaging, no matter your location or schedule. We use a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical exercises, ensuring you gain hands-on experience with real-world scenarios. Our small class sizes allow for personalized attention and support, and our instructors are always available to answer your questions. Unmatched value and benefits. We offer competitive pricing and flexible payment options to suit your budget. You'll gain valuable industry certifications that set you apart in the job market. We're committed to your success, offering post-training support and mentoring to help you apply your skills in the real world. Ready to master Oracle Solaris Cluster and achieve rock-solid uptime? Choose Proexcellency and unlock your high availability potential. Bonus, we also offer additional perks like career guidance, industry connections, and exclusive job opportunities to our graduates. Invest in your future with Proexcellency. Contact us today and let's build your high availability expertise. R. Contact 0803150868 +918722079509. www.proexcellency.com. info@proexcellency.com @proexcellency.com. Bangalore, India. Thank you.